So we've reached the time where it's time to replace the flag here on my flagpole. Now every time I go to replace a flag, I like to compare the last flag to what I'm replacing it with. This is probably the 5th or 6th time that I've replaced this flag. I've never actually grabbed this brand twice because I'm still looking for that brand that's going to give me about a year of time between having to replace these flags. So this particular flag here is the Rushmore Rose flag. I got about 10 months out of this flag, and honestly you can see the condition this flag is in, and it's not in the greatest of shape. I probably should have replaced this flag at the 6-month mark. We are at the 10-month mark right now. So this time we're actually going to go with a flag made by Flagstars. Now the flag that I use on my pole is a 4x6 flag, and let me get this out of the package here real quick. We'll take a look at this flag here. And honestly, if you guys have a flag that you feel does really well, I'd love for you guys to leave that in the comments so I could try it next, because I'm still looking for that flag that's going to give me kind of the optimum time based on the price I'm paying for these flags. Now this flag made by Flagstars is a little pricier flag. I can't tell you right now just by getting this out of the package though, the canvas on this, the material is really well constructed. It feels like it's got a real heavy duty material to it. Some of these nylon flags, when you get them out of the package, they don't have that weight there, and those are generally the ones that have lasted the least amount of time for me, at least in my experience. Now what's really cool about this flag, just looking at it here, it looks like the stitching on it is really nice. It's got a nice heavy duty brass grommet on here. These grommets do wear out over time as well. This one here feels a little thicker than some of the grommets that I've had in the past as well. So I'm really hoping that this is the first flag that I've got that'll get me to that year mark. Now this Flagstars flag, they do back these. They've got a 180-day warranty, so to speak. So you can kind of look at that as well. And if you do have a problem with yours coming unraveled within that time frame, you can reach out to them. My understanding is they are supposed to be able to help you out with that. You can see here at the end, you do have the 4-hem stitching here at the end of the flag as well. So let me go and get this on the pole here real fast. We'll get this thing swapped out. I'll get this flag properly retired, and then we can see how long this one will last going forward. Okay, so I got my flag swapped out. You can see the difference here. So this is that Rushmore Rose flag that I was talking about. And obviously, like I said, this one probably would have only got me 6 months if I'd actually replaced it when I should have. But the material on this thing is definitely a lot more nylon feeling. It is a little lighter material. Now this flag did try to take a beating when it came to the wind. I do live in a very flat kind of farm ground type of setting, so we get a lot of wind and the wind's constantly howling out here. So my flags do get beat up pretty bad. Now if you're better than I am about replacing your flags, you may bring yours down in the storms. I generally just drop my flagpole down when we have big storms roll through. I don't typically take my flag off, but that's just kind of one of those personal preferences and you know how often you have the opportunity to do so. Now also on this one, I wanted to real quick point out, because I mentioned the grommets. So you can see on here, these grommets on this Rushmore Rose flag did actually last pretty good. I have had flags in the past where these grommets will wear out and actually go through the actual brass itself into the fabric. This one did not do so. These grommets did hold up really well. I just would have liked to see the fabric hold up a little better, and you can see here, this one has just a little bit where it was starting to kind of round out, but this was actually a pretty good grommet. So you guys can take a look at these flags, see which one might fit the bill for you. The Flagstar is the one that I've got up on the pole now. We're gonna see how long that one lasts, and then we'll come back and do an update on that one here. The Rushmore Rose flag did okay. Not the best flag I've had in terms of longevity. Other than that though, I think that's all I've got for you on this, guys. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.